Hey guys, it's PrincessLexiseLicious, and today I'm going to do a unboxing slash initial review on the BeautyForever Jerry Curly Human Hair Lacefront wig. You guys, this wig is so beautiful, and guess what? It is affordable. Like, I am a college student and I need affordable hair that looks good. So let's get to this video. So I'm going to show you how the wig came packaged. It came in a UPS bag and it came in 4 days. You guys, like, the shipping was free, fast shipping, like, it is amazing. So the wig that I have, it is 22 inches and 130% density, and I have Malaysian. And due to coupons, I got like $9 off, $3 off for registering, and $6 for the Halloween sale. So if you guys can find a promo code, a coupon code, or something to get you some money off your wig, please do so. And the quality does not go down if you are saving a couple of coins, okay? So anyway, so I'm going to show you me placing on the wig. I did sew on an elastic band. I do have a small head, like I have a 21 circumference head, so I do need to add an adjustable band to tighten up my wig. So as of right now, it looks a mess. Just by me trying to sew the wig, it got bushy over the course of time, but I'm going to tame it down using water, and I'm just going to spray that top. So I was trying to part it, but I cannot part on my head for the life of me. So later I will show you guys me styling this on the mannequin head. So as of right now, I'm going to take my face powder and I'm just going to put that on the lace parting. Now, one of the things that this wig has, it doesn't have a lot of parting space on the side, and in the middle it's like 3 inches of parting, and on the side it's probably like 1.5 inches. So in order to make that parting seem longer, I did have to carve the part just a little bit, but it came out good anyways. For this wig, it did come with a pre-plucked hairline, baby hairs. I love the fact that this wig is lightweight, it's not heavy at all, and it's soft. So this is how it looks afterwards. And of course, with that foaming lotion, kind of tamed it down. Now I'm going to take the water again. I'm just going to spray my hair, and as you can see, just by using water, it's already curling up my hair. Like, this is amazing. And now I'm going to detangle my hair. Really, it does not really need to be detangled, but I wanted to stretch out my 22 inches. So I'm just going to do that. By me doing this, I'm not struggling putting it up, but it is curly hair, so I do have to be careful of doing so. And I am getting a little shedding by doing this, but it is okay. Like, it's curly hair, y'all. It's curly hair. Now I'm going to take this conditioner slash water spray ball, and I'm just going to spray that in my hair. I'm not going to spray a lot. I don't want to condition my hair, but I want to make it a little bit soft. It's already soft, but I just want to maintain that moisture. And as a curly hair you need to have some kind of conditioner on your hair to maintain moisture throughout the day. Alright, so now I'm going to take the pink Eco Styler gel to define my curls, even though it's already defined, but I want it to hold throughout the day. So I'm going to take that all over my head, and I'm just going to spread that out. Make sure I get every strand, also the roots and the ends. The ends are a little bit frizzy, so I want to make sure I get those. And throughout the process, I am scrunching up my hair to define the curls even more. Like, they are gorgeous, you guys. Alright, so guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will be doing a 1-month review and a 3-month review of this hair. So make sure you subscribe for that. And I'll touch you guys later. Bye. And make sure you subscribe so you can stay updated, y'all. Alright, bye.